Tired of your mind running the same old story of worry and self-doubt?
You aren't broken. You don't need to be fixed. You just need a new narrative.
Welcome to Restore and Renew Story Meditations, a sanctuary for women who feel deeply, carry quiet weight, and long for rest that actually reaches the soul.
If your mind stays busy at night, or your emotions feel louder than you'd like, you're in the right place.
I'm Rhea Rivers.
And I'm Leanna Lane. Together, we guide gentle story meditations designed to regulate your nervous system, release overwhelm, and invite deep, natural sleep.
Most people think meditation is about forcing calm or silencing your thoughts.
Here, we do things differently. We don't push thoughts away. We create a safe harbor for them to land.
Subscribe, settle in, and let's rewrite your story together.